Assalamualaikum and greetings to everyone. My name is Zainuddin Othman. My number matric 289954. The topic that I want to share to present is social mobile cloud. So let's start to the intro part. SMAC, which stands for Social Mobile Analytics and Cloud, is the concept that the convergence of four technologies is currently driving business innovation. SMAC is the basis for an ecosystem improve business operation and help companies get closer to the customer with minimal overhead and maximum reach. The proliferation of structured and unstructured data created by mobile devices, wearable technology, connected devices, sensors, social media, loyalty card programs, and website browsing is creating new business models built on customer-generated data. None of the four technologies can be an afterthought because it's the integration of social, mobile, analytic, and cloud together that creates a competitive advantages and new business opportunities. There are the four technologies are defined as follows. First is social. Social include a business social media, for instance, incorporating interfaces and schedules with platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, and many more are related on social media. Second is mobile. Mobile is served as the blanket name for all smart technologies that access the internet and are handled, including phone, tablet, and watch. Third is analytics. Analytics produces results and feedback from large amounts of information. In our world of big data, analytics help make sense of reams of information by analyzing customer provided data or social stats. Last but not least is cloud, served as an internet platform. At this point, we are all familiar with the cloud, but for definition's sake, a cloud is a philosophy viewing the internet as more than a source of information but as a platform with which to build speeding digital apps and websites. Next, we move to advantage of mobile cloud computing. First is flexibility. Mobile cloud computing allows accessing data from anywhere in the world. As long as you are connected to the internet, you can access the application and mobile data from any mobile device. Second is multiple platform support. Mobile cloud computing offers multiple platform support. You can easily access an application store in the cloud, regardless of the platform. Third is cost efficient. Cloud computing is one of the most cost efficient method to be used and maintained. Mobile cloud computing has a minimal upfront cost depending on the usage. Also, there are no hefty fees are charged for licensing and upgrades. Next is real-time data availability. You can go real-time with the mobile cloud computing. Since all your data is managed externally, you can access and update your data in real time on your mobile device. Documents can also be simultaneously managed by multiple persons. Last and not least is backup and recovery. Data backup and restoring is much easier when all your data is stored in the cloud. Cloud disaster recovery is a strategy that involves storing and maintaining copies of digital records in a cloud computing environment as a security measure. Next is a disadvantage of mobile cloud computing. First is data security. Data security is one of the major concerns of cloud computing. Most of the time mobile users provide sensitive information through the network, and if it is not protected can cause major damage. You need to choose the most reliable service provider who can keep your data totally safe and secure. And second is connectivity and performance issues. As mobile cloud computing depend on internet, this can affect your access and use. Sometimes you may feel that performance is not up to the mark. Hence, it's a better to check the track record of your service provider before undertaking the service. Instead of keeping up high standard of maintenance, cloud service providers may face some serious dysfunction. and it will bring impact to your business also. Next is dependency and vendor lock-in. Sometimes it becomes difficult to migrate from a service provider, and this is what is called as vendor lock-in. It is very important to check the terms and conditions and other options before picking a vendor, as later it can become difficult to switch to some other provider. With the emergence of cloud resources, all the data processing and storage, the mobile users do not need high data processing and storage capabilities on their mobile devices. For top mobile app developers, developing apps for mobile cloud is different than developing apps for native platforms like iPhone or Android. Moreover, mobile app solution providers have started offering mobile browsers that allow users to access apps from the website, eliminating the need to go to the App Store to download the apps. Next, we go to the benefit of social, mobile, big data, and cloud convergence. First is the new ways of customer interaction. Customers prefer to be reached through communication channels that they use most often and most comfortable with. For today's customer, their preferred communication channel is through their mobile device. Companies are beginning to interact with customers through text messaging and social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. With buying products and making payment and receiving receipt can all be done digitally through a smartphone or tablet, it making it easier for both parties, to the customer and the business. Everything can be stored in the cloud, allowing for easy access to data. Next is more customer insight. With social media interaction, companies can gain clear insight in their customer preference. There are more customer communication. We are more past the age of mere on the side of FAQs on websites. Now customer can ask questions on social media and vice versa and mobile devices. This question can be responded to instantaneously. Not only that, but companies can also gather information on various other customer behavior patterns, like buying patterns. The cloud store all this data and make analysis easy, helping companies tailor their marketing campaigns, product, and promotion to best fit their target customer preference. And lastly is new innovations. Technology is constantly changing. The constant upgrades in smartphones are a testament to this for new innovations. The convergence of social big data and cloud platforms with mobile means that the innovations being made in the mobile field are also relevant to the other field and can help fuel new innovations access to the broad. And it also can make the business gain upgrade more to their international business. In conclusion, social media has plenty of good uses as it allows stories or events that begin locally to gain a global or worldwide attention. This allows to become an amazing platform to make the world connect and spread information faster than ever in the history of mankind. It is one of the best ways to stay informed that about current events, increase marketing exposure, and stay connected with friends and family. This global phenomenon of technology spreading worldwide makes it easy for people to communicate faster and easily promote their business to massive amount of people in a short time, and also it's very inexpensive. Social media might have disadvantages, but it has a more advantage, especially can be useful to humans in accessing information, especially in making of their business. That's all for me. Thank you.